guys, the song we're gonna learn now is a song by Babyface and Toni Braxton. It's called "Where Did We Go Wrong." It's from the Love, Marriage and Divorce album. It's a great song. I actually got the idea to learn this song and to teach it to you from a video of a guy named First Son's Motif. He did a cover of it on his YouTube channel. I'll leave the link in the description. You guys should check it out. It's a great cover. All right. Okay, so we only have 5 chords, and they repeat throughout the verse and the chorus and practically the entire song. Okay, so let's get started. So the first chord is a B minor 7. Okay, and the variation that we're gonna play is, in this shape. So take a look at the diagram. Normally a B minor 7 is like this. Okay, but in this case we're gonna play it in this manner. Okay, and then we stop at the second string. We're not gonna play the bottom string. Or you can play it after. I'll show you why. But this is a B minor 7. And the way the string is being played is, so really just pluck the 2 bass and then the highest note, and then just go down. Okay, and then the next chord is a C add 9. Okay, same plucking pattern. What makes it an add 9 is because you have this D here. Okay, all right, and then we have an A minor 7. Okay, take a look at my right hand in the way the way I arpeggiate it. And then we have 2 chords that will be in succession. So we start with a D. Okay. And then D suspended 2 over C. Sorry. Okay. So we have a D here. Lift the middle finger, and that's what makes it a D suspended 2, because now you have an E here, right? But you use that middle finger to play a C. Okay, so it's a D suspended 2 with a bass of C. Okay, and so in real time, C, okay, D suspended 2 over C, and that's it, and that's the whole song. So okay, now obviously that's an approximation of what Babyface is doing, and the reason why I'm saying it's an approximation is because Babyface is plays guitar left-handed, meaning this guitar will be on the other side, and so the way he plucks the string would be very different from how a right-handed person would normally pluck the string. So so that would be a difference. The second thing is, if you listen to the recording, you will notice that there is a slap, which is very hard to do when you arpeggiate and slap at the same time. I think in the recording someone else is slapping, because it's really hard, right? But what you can do is, if you want to slap, let's say you want to change the tone of the song a bit, when you get to the chorus, when you get to the D, then you just play it the way we just played earlier. Okay, so that's one way. Now in the demo, you will notice that I played the first string. In the recording, we actually don't play that until we get to play the C. Sorry, D and C, D suspended 2 over C. That's the only time we play the first string. But you can play it if you want to, and I think that it adds a bit of emotion to the song. And it changes the name of the first chord a little bit. So instead of a B minor 7, you get a B minor 11. Okay. Once you add an E to a B minor 7, it becomes a B minor 11. So it would sound like this. I just find that it adds a bit of emotion to the song as you progress through the second verse. You don't have to play it, but I gave it a try and it seems to sound good. So, all right, so that's the whole song. You guys have fun. It's a great song, so go check it out.